fresh fruit shake, ma'am. And we also have our healthy drinks. And great appetizer to share, ma'am. We offer calamari and spinach and artichoke formaggio. Either of one will go well with our Caesar salad or Sicilian chicken salad. For your main entry, we have our seafood chupino and shrimp radiablo. We also have our herb roasted chicken, grilled pepper crusted fish fillet, and pork chop, grilled to perfection.
Hey sir, how was your lunch?
Good, good.
Are you done for this?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sarap, ma'am.
Seems like you're in a mood for dessert. We have tartufo and New York cheesecake. New York cheesecake is a classic style cheesecake served on a bed of strawberry amaretto sauce. And it goes very well with our premium Italian coffee and hot tea. Should I get you one?
Thanks. Dessert, we'll get the cheesecake. Yes,
Cheesecake.
No, let's go.
Coffee, coffee.
Coffee, sir. Brewed coffee, sir? How much for you? Two brewed coffee and one New York cheesecake. I'll be back for your dessert and coffee.
Thanks.
Just get it. Excuse me, sir, for your dessert. Your bill. Please sign this for discount.
Alright, thank you.
Let's get it, sir. Okay, sir. Sir James, I received your video.
Salamat.
Good, thank you. Good.
Hey, Sir James.
Ay,
Inside.
thank you. Isa.
Oh, saan ka nakapart? Sa taas.
Thank you, Malo.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir, this is your copy and your card. Thank you for dining here at
Thank you,
Italiani.
thank you.
Please look for me on your next visit. Grazie.
Meron pala silang butter wings.